The sun is the source of all life, and in nature is perfectly reflected in the beautiful sunflowers that bloom from spring into summer. Joyful, vibrant sunflowers face the east where the sun rises and follow the sun's path all day, absorbing all of its solar energy. Then there is the power color of blue that energetically connects us to the deep blue of the sky and the sea, the color of openness that instills a feeling of great calm and peace. Symbolically, blue is also known as the helper and the rescuer, the color of tranquility. We have created a duo product that captures the vibrant energy of the sunflower genus in 3 beautiful blue essential oils: blue chamomile, blue yarrow, and Cape chamomile, all 3 a part of the Asteraceae family of sunflowers. Chamomile and yarrow flowers are also the only flowers that deliver these amazing deep blue essential oils due to their high levels of AZURE, a natural, powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. To honor nature, we have created the Blue Cocoon Duo with sunflower energy to recalibrate your energetic level after a rather gloomy year and to cocoon your skin in the blue comfort of chamomile and yarrow, to repair, revive and soothe hot summer skin. Aging is a natural process, so to gift your skin with regenerative sun energy, we created Blue Azure Facial Oil, as beautiful as the Mediterranean Sea, a blue-green elixir that deliver the amazing anti-aging benefits of the blue oils, blended into a light-textured, non-greasy grapeseed plant oil to improve the quality and the texture of all skin. To complement the soothing qualities of Blue Azure Facial Oil, we created Blue Cocoon Aloe Jelly, a soft blue cocooning gel to wrap the skin in perfect comfort, derived from the leaves of wild harvested Cape aloes, known for its bioprotective properties. And when combined with the soothing anti-inflammatory blue oils, it is a true antidote to summer skin irritations. Inhale the gentle, calming aroma and experience the true delight of Blue Cocoon Duo, your new summer friend.